Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the video. We are installing switches and receptacles in this room. This is just one of many of the bedrooms in this house. I'm starting over here next to the door, doing 3 switches, the fan, the cans, and there's a light over the reading nook. So we just get this done first, then we'll move on to the next thing. Next we're going to move over and put this closet light switch in. And I was about to do the receptacle below, but I remembered that's where the home run is, so I'll save that for last and not put power to the circuit. Make it easier and quicker to do the rest of the room. And we are installing an outlet here. We will curl our wires and then screw them under the outlet to make sure there's a secure connection. I know a lot of times in these new houses, the electricians will just backstab the outlet, and those will get loose eventually. So we don't want to have that happen to any of our houses. Here we are on the last one. This one's probably hot, so I am working safely to make sure I don't let anything touch that's not supposed to touch.